How to fix fingerprint not showing in settings. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to help you to fix the issue where the fingerprint option is missing or fingerprint doesn't show up in your Android settings. So if you've been struggling with this problem in your device, we have got you covered. So let's just dive right into the video. So the first thing, the easiest and the quickest solution is to restart your device. So go ahead and restart your device, as sometimes a simple restart can fix minor glitches that might cause the fingerprint settings to disappear. So press and hold the power button and select restart and let your phone reboot. If restarting didn't help, the next step to check is if there is a software update for your device. Head over to your settings, open up your settings, scroll down to about phone section, and when you head over to your about phone section and head over to the software information, you should be able to find an software update if there is any kind of update available at that moment. And after the update, check if the fingerprint option appears in your settings. If it does, you're all set. Now, even if after that your fingerprints settings are still missing, what can we do? So open up your settings again and head over to the biometric section from where you usually put up your fingerprints to, and tap on fingerprint. But if you don't find that option, you can look for the option called lock screen or security, those kind of sections here. Even if that is not available at the moment, we can go ahead and clear up your, if you have fingerprint app available, you can go ahead and clear the cache of that fingerprint. Otherwise, clear the cache of your settings as well at that moment. Just go ahead and do that. Head over to the storage and clear the cache of your settings. If none of these steps work and your fingerprint option is still missing, the last thing we can do is perform a factory reset. Before you do that, make sure to back up all of your important data, because a factory reset will erase everything from your phone. So just make sure you are backed up, and after that is done, go ahead and open up your factory settings here and just reset your factory, your device of your factory reset. And that is done, and I'm sure one of this method is going to work for you and fix your fingerprint missing. And that is it. So these are the most common ways to fix the issue of your fingerprint option missing or not showing in your Android settings. Hopefully one of the steps worked for you. So if it did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tutorials. And if you have got any questions or other fixes that worked for you, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.